Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. In this video, I will show you how you can use the great model Kimi K2.6 for free inside OpenCode, and it is through the Cloudflare Workers AI. They are giving the free access and the whole step-by-step procedure, the setup I will show you inside this video. So stay tuned till the end. And here you see I have used this Kimi K2.6 with this long prompt I pasted, and here you see such a long prompt, all of the configuration, all details I mentioned, and after that it created the project and all of that step by step shell script it has executed. And after that here you see the structure of the files, it has given the key features implemented. And here you see this is a React project, it has implemented React Vite. And if I show you the full file structure, so where is the location inside C drive, inside project, the Astra. Okay, so here you see inside this project this Astra, and it has created this one. Okay, so all of these files tailwind css it has used, and inside this src here you see the component and sections, see the file structures it has implemented. Now if I show the final output, so this is the final output. Okay, not that much minimal, but it is also kind of complex websites because there are some important things, important styles I have mentioned. So the thing is that you can actually easily use this Kimi K 2.6 model through this Cloudflare Workers AI, and it is completely free to use. Now you will ask me one common question, that Cloudflare is giving the Kimi K 2.6 model API service for free. So is there any limit? Yes, there is a limit, but you don't need to take any tension, because here you see per day they are giving the 1 lakh request for free. So it is enough, I think. If you are building any individual project, then it is enough for your purpose. Okay, and here you see that the project that I have built, it is a complete React project, and inside it has installed so many dependencies and node modules, and also here you see it has integrated this tailwind css. And if I show you the time it has taken, so here you see that the time it has taken, it is showing 7 minutes 20 seconds. Follow my cursor. So constantly it was running through this 7 minute 20 second, it did not stop. Okay, constantly it was running, and after its work is done, it has given me this success message, and it is telling me to open it in my browser. Okay, so don't take any tension that it will be kind of stopped in the middle of work. No, it will not be happen. And also this model inference is very fast, so when you will use this model through this Cloudflare, you will get the very fast access. Okay, so now let me tell you that how you can integrate it. So for that, install the OpenCode. Okay, if you want to install the desktop version, then it will be very helpful for you to manage the OpenCode. So I will suggest you to go with the desktop installation. As you see, if you go to this download section, and there you will find this is a section, you will see that OpenCode desktop, and according to your operating system you please download it. And after that the installation procedure is simple. Next you need to download it. Now after that you need to make an account in Cloudflare. So I have given this link in description. This is a Cloudflare Workers AI. So on the right hand side you will find this sign up button. Just make an account. Simple procedure guys. Just make an account, and after that it will ask you to verify your email. So just verify that, and after that you will find this kind of dashboard page. Okay, so to come to this page, what you need to do, on the left hand side you will find this AI option. Okay, just go to this AI option, and after that expand this AI, and here you will find this Workers AI. Come to this Workers AI, and after that you will find this kind of page, and here you will find this Get API Token option. Okay, and this is one of the box, create a Workers AI API token. And after that here you see account ID is there. This is the most important thing, this account ID. Don't share this account ID with anyone. Okay, and after that what you need to do, just open this model in another tab, and there you will find many models. Okay, you will find many models, and this kind of models you will find, and from here you can search Kimi, and you will find this Kimi K2.6. Okay, now we will integrate it with the open code. So for that what you need to do, that go to the open code, and on the left hand side you will find this settings button, right? I hope you are able to see it. And here you will find this provider. Okay, just go to this provider, and here you see that I have already added this Cloudflare Workers AI through the API key. Right now, just click on this show more provider, and here search for the Cloudflare. Okay, Cloud. So here you see Cloudflare Workers AI. Select it. Okay. Now after that, it will ask to put the Workers AI API key. How to get that? So for that, come to this page. Okay. And here you see that create a Workers AI API token. Now click on that. Now after that you will find this kind of page, and here you see the token name it is showing, and these permissions, and there are two permissions currently showing. One is the read, another one is the edit. And after that, all of the by default value that are showing in this input box, keep it as it is. You just need to click on this create API token, this blue box. Click on this create API token, and after that you will find one token, means they will provide you one token. So you need to copy that token and you need to place it here. Okay, and after that click on this continue. Now what will happen that your open code will be connected to the Cloudflare Worker API. Another point that I have missed, when you will click on this Worker AI, a page will be appear to you, and there you need to click on the REST API box. So there will be many boxes. You need to click on the REST API box, and after that only you will be able to come to this page to get the API token. Now another thing, you need to use this account ID. This account ID is very important. I already told you that don't share this account ID with anyone. So you need to share this account ID in your machine. And how you can do that? So for that I have written one comment. So this is the setx comment. Okay, and it is for the Windows user, but if you are a Linux or Mac user, then this setx will be replaced by the export. I think you know already, but if you are getting any confusion, so for that you can use the chat gpt. I also use the chat gpt. So here you see that I got this kind of comments. So you can take help from the ChatGPT for setting the Cloudflare account ID in your machine. Okay, so you need to just write this setx, then Cloudflare account ID, and the account ID that you will get from here. You need to just take it, and what you need to do, just copy this. Okay, I will give this text in description so that you can copy it, and you need to just replace your account ID with this number. Okay, now open your Windows PowerShell. Now in case of Mac or Linux, you can just do it in your terminal, and instead of setx you have to use the export. Okay, now just paste it and press enter. Now it will be the Cloudflare account ID setup will be done for your machine. Now what you can do, just close your open code. Okay, just close your open code, and now again open your open code. Okay, and another thing is that if you want to verify that whether your account ID setup is done in your machine or not, so for that from ChatGPT I got one comment which is this one. So I will give this link or give this comment also in description. You can just simply copy it and paste it in your PowerShell. Okay. Now remember one thing, that when you executed this setx command in PowerShell, you need to close that. Okay, after executing this setx command, you need to close that PowerShell session and again open a new PowerShell session, and there you need to paste this command. This command. So what it will do, that it will print the Cloudflare account ID. Then you will be sure that your Cloudflare account ID setup is done successfully in your machine. Okay. So again, guys, over the internet, no one will show you or no one will explain you this kind of step-by-step procedure. So if you found this step-by-step procedure helpful, and if you are liking my procedure the way I am explaining, please make sure to like this video. Okay, and another thing is that this open code or this kind of self loop AI coding agent, what they do that when you are sending one request, okay, in the background they actually send many requests. Okay, so whenever you are building this kind of complex project that I have built, okay, so this kind of complex project, here you see so many files I have created. Okay, so in the background this open code actually have sent many requests. So for this kind of complex project, you may face kind of limit issue. Just uh, you need to keep it in your mind. Okay. But if you are interacting with this Kimi K2.6 in a normal way, as a normal user, you are sending request, then you will be able to use for a long time. Okay, and I have not faced any kind of limit issue after building this whole project. I just want to know from you guys that whether you are experiencing any kind of limit issue or not. Please let me know in the comment section. Please try it, and also each day the limit gets reset. So if you are facing any issue for that particular day, then next day you can complete that task. Okay, so please try it. Please let me know that whether you are facing any issue or not, or any limit issue, and how much time you can use it if you are interacting it with the aggressive way and in a normal way. So if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. All of the links I have given in description, and please check there. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.